Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a workspace in trade2sync. To get started, head over to the Workspace section. If you haven't connected any signal channels yet, your screen will look just like this. First, click the Add New button. You'll then be asked to select the signal channel you want to use for this workspace. Keep in mind that each workspace supports only one signal channel. So if you'd like to automate signals from multiple channels, you'll simply need to create multiple workspaces. Once you've selected your channel, click Next. The next step is connecting your broker account. You can either choose one of your existing broker connections or click here to connect a new broker account. After that, you'll be taken to the Workspace configuration page. Here, you can define the basic trading rules for this workspace. You can set your lot size, configure multiple take-profit levels, and customize your stop-loss and take-profit preferences. If you'd like access to more advanced settings, simply click Set Full Configuration. Otherwise, if you're happy with the basic setup, click Proceed to continue. And just like that, your new workspace is ready. Over here, you'll notice 3 different viewing modes. Just click any icon to switch between the layouts and choose the one that suits you best. Right beside the workspace, you'll also find a little settings icon. Clicking it will take you to the full configuration page, where you can fine-tune every aspect of your workspace whenever you need. Now let's place a test trade and see everything in action. As you can see, the signal appears instantly in your signal history as soon as it's received. And if we switch over to our MT5 platform, you'll see that the trade has already been executed successfully. And that's how easy it is to create a workspace in trade2sync. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.